Hello everyone and welcome to 2021. 2020 is finally over. Thank God, this year has been crazy for everyone. And I'm just so thankful it's over and that we can start a new year and begin again. So in this video I'm going to talk about my 2021 sewing plans. I have lots of plans this year because I'm going to really dive into this channel and make lots of awesome videos for you guys. So let's get into all my 2021 sewing plans. Hi, so editing Emma here. Just wanted to point out that all the photos I'll be showing throughout this video are on my Pinterest. If you want to go head over there and see all the stuff that I find inspiration from or I'm kind of thinking about for style and stuff. And I'll have that linked in the description box for you. Okay, so in 2021, I want to make a few jumpsuits, romper type pieces. And I have 3 different ones that I want to make. The first one I want to make is this like t-shirt, casual, comfy jumpsuit in like a light blue or a light gray. It'll have like buttons down the front. Look really nice. And I'm really excited for this one because it'll just be a nice, like, comfy summer outfit and you don't have to think about, like, your shirt, your pants. Like, it's just an outfit ready to go. I'm really excited for this one. The next one I have planned is going to be an olive green jumpsuit made out of this beautiful fabric that I bought at a secondhand fabric market in a city nearby me. It's really beautiful. It's like a linen texture and I want to try hacking this little girl's vintage jumpsuit pattern that I got at an estate sale for a neighboring house of mine. And yeah, even though it's a girl's size, I'm pretty petite, so I can just scale it up a little bit in places and make it work, but I kind of want to just get the general vibe of this 70s pattern. I will have it linked below what the actual pattern name is if you want to try and find it yourself. But yeah, so I'm going to do that and it's going to have, instead of a zipper, I'm probably going to end up doing buttons or no buttons and just making it loose. But yeah, I'm just kind of going with something really casual, comfy for summer with that. And then the last jumpsuit I want to make is another rendition of my jumpsuit pattern that you can pee in without having to get completely naked. It's been a huge hit with the few people I've made it with, and like lots of my friends are like, I want to order one from you, but they don't quite like the current designs I have for the top part. So I want to do another jumpsuit with a different variation. That one I'm going to keep a little secret of what it's going to look like, but I'm going to do it in like a teal florally type pattern just because all the jumpsuits I have are either solid or striped, so I kind of want a floral one to mix it up. But yeah, those are the 3 jumpsuits I plan on making in 2021. So in 2020 I really got into crop tops, which is new for me because I was always like, why would you want your stomach hanging out? But now I love it. So I have a few crop tops on my list to make. One of them is going to be this V-neck crop top thing, kind of inspired by Donna from Mamma Mia, but the second Mamma Mia. And it's going to be really nice and I want to make it out of this striped fabric that I have. I don't have too much of it, so it's going to have to be something smaller like a crop top and hopefully I can make it work. Might have to pull in a few extra pieces of fabric here and there to make it like the waistband or something just to make it work, but yeah, I want to make a cute little V-neck crop top with this. So for the other crop top that I want to make, I already have the pieces cut out and ready to go. I just have to sew it and film a tutorial for you guys. But it's going to be this like kimono, bat sleeve, cape sleeve type deal. I don't know quite how to explain it, but the picture will be here, or somewhere over here. And I'm going to be making it out of this really nice printed linen that has, it's like a ivory linen with like black details that look like embroidery, but it's not embroidery. Oh, I love this fabric so much. I bought it when I was in Arizona 3 years ago, and I'm just now using the last of it for this project because it's just so beautiful. But yeah, those are the 2 crop tops I want to make in 2021. So in addition to crop tops, I've been really into button-up shirts. I just think they're so effortless but professional yet casual. Like, there's so many ways you can wear them, and I just love how they look, especially on me. Oh, I love them so much, but I've never made one. So this year I'm going to try making at least 1, maybe 2, if I'm lucky. But I want to make one that's going to be a cropped version with like a half sleeve, and then maybe a cropped version with no sleeves, and then I want to do like a full regular button-down shirt with some really nice embroidery on it. And I just think they'll look so nice. I'll have pictures inserted here of kind of the vibe I'm thinking for these button-up shirts, but I have high hopes. We'll see how high those hopes are when I actually start making them and realizing how complicated button-up shirts are. So something I really got into last summer, in 2021 summer, or 2020 summer. God, I don't know what year it is with the changing times. But I really got into culottes. I don't know why, because it's always something I've always been like, that's not for me. And then I tried on a pair and I was like, ooh, I look good in that, even though I'm short as hell. So I own 1 pair of culottes already, and I really love how they fit, and I really just want to create another pair but in a solid print as opposed to the teeny floral print that I already have. And I also want to create a pair similar but different in like a really bold, like mustardy pattern. Just also because Mamma Mia vibes, and that's my aesthetic. Just classified myself as boho chic with a hippie flair, but also like casual flair. I'm talking too much. Let's move on to the last type of culotte I want to make. So I want a solid, a bold mustard, and then I want to try a denim pair. I haven't worked with denim in a very long time, and I really want to attempt making jeans. 1, because I can never find a pair of jeans that fit me properly, and 2, jeans are expensive and hard to find. At least, or if they're not expensive and hard to find, they're hard to find at the thrift store in your size, in the style you want, in the wash you want. Like, jeans are just hard. So I want to try making a pair of jeans, but in like fun culotte style. And then if those turn out, maybe I'll try a skinny jean in 2022. We'll see. But those are kind of the culotte plans I have for 2021. Now onto dresses. I have realized about myself, I don't wear dresses casually very often. I typically will go for some sort of pant, short, romper, jumpsuit, as opposed to a skirt or dress. I don't know why. I think it's because I don't like how I have to sit all perfect and ladylike in a dress, and it's not quite as maneuverable as pants. But I do want to make 1 dress in 2021, and it's going to be just a casual, like, long maxi slip dress with little slits on the side and a little tie at the waist. And I don't know what color I want to do this yet. The picture I have here is like a orangey mustardy color, but I already have a floral mustard maxi dress, so I don't know if I want to go that route. But I'm thinking maybe like a white and gray stripe, because I do have this old bed sheet that we've never used on our bed because we hate flat sheets, that I think I might use for this project, but I'm unsure. I'll insert a picture of the fabric just so you guys can see what I'm kind of envisioning in my head here. But that's the 1 dress I plan on making, because I think it would be a good, like, you could wear it to a wedding, if weddings are happening. Or you could wear it to like the farmer's market, or just out casually at the beach. Like, just something casual but can also kind of be formaled up. Now, the last thing on my 2021 sewing project list is something with this sunflower fabric. I bought this on an impulse because I saw a really cute like sunflower dress on Pinterest. But then I'm thinking to myself, Emma, you don't wear dresses. This is gonna be way too bold. You're never gonna wear it. don't make this, think of something else to do with it. So I'm not too sure what I want to make with this. I'm either gonna do a really bold button up with this, or I'm gonna use it as like a chunk in a shirt. I'm thinking like a really relaxed kind of peplum-y top where I just have like the sunflower kind of here and then everything else is like white or black, or there's little bits of green in this fabric, so maybe I'll play up that, or the brown of the center of the sunflower. Not quite sure what I want to do with this, but I know 2021 I need to use this fabric. So we'll see what I actually end up doing. You'll definitely see this project in a video at some point in the year. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking for this. Could change again, who knows. But this is a really nice soft cotton. It would kill me if I let this go to waste on something that I won't actually wear all the time. So that's it for projects of like from scratch pieces of clothing that I want to do. But I also have a few like, some are alterations, some are like flips, you'd say, kind of. And some are just like really small little projects. So the first one of that kind of category is I have four shirts that are stupid long on me, like stupid long. But they're tuck-in shirts, so they're always like bunching weird at my butt, and I gotta, it's a hassle to tuck them in, but they look stupid not tucked in. So I want to turn them into bodysuits. So that's a project. Another project is taking in a million pairs of jeans and also dyeing jeans, because you saw in my shop with me video, I bought fabric dye and I've yet to dye those jeans. So that's a 2021 project. I also want to make some more scrunchies, because you can never have too many scrunchies, and I just find actual ponytailers are either way too big for my super fine hair, or they're just uncomfortable, and a scrunchie isn't uncomfortable. So I'm just transitioning to all scrunchies in my hair accessory wardrobe. So I have a few more of those I want to make. Let's see what else. I think that's it for alterations. Just basically tailoring my wardrobe to fit me properly for alterations, because let's be honest, life's too short to have clothes that don't fit you properly. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking for alterations and like smaller projects. Maybe I'll throw in like cat toys and stuff for my cat, because I don't want to pay for those, because the ones we've paid for she doesn't play with. But yeah, those are my little projects and alterations that I'm gonna sprinkle in when I need a break from the giant projects that I said earlier. So that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed my channel and this video. And let me know down in the comments, what is your big 2021 sewing project, if you have one, or what's a project you want to accomplish that's not sewing, like if you want to build a deck or whatever. Let me know. I want to get more involved with you guys in 2021, and I'm excited to see where this channel takes me, and hope you all have a fantastic new year. Let's forget 2020 happened and let's enjoy 2021.